Galit sila?
Galit sila kasi hindi ka daw sumipot. Hindi ka daw sumipot.
Sinong galit sa akin?
Yung nagsabi si Abante, tsaka yung si Dan Fernandez, at saka
si Pain ko sila, sabihin mo. Tangina. Pera nila. Wala na akong pera eh. At pamasahe ako doon. I am living on my retirement pay. I never, kayo taga Davao kayo, lakin kayo, kababata tayo dito. Wala akong extra money na sa bangko na lahat sweldo ko yan, pati yung retirement ko. Sila pa ang galit ngayon, buang.
At sinabi pang ipakuntin ka daw.
Sige daw.
Si Paduano nagsabi, kanina lang.
Sino?
Paduano. Yung Congressman Paduano.
Congressman Paduano.
Kasi
sino yung unggoy na yan?
yung taga sa akin. Kasi yung actor na
yung nagpakulong sa lahat ng mga resource person. Yun yung nag-contempt sa lahat.
You don't scare me a bit. Galing na ako pagka-presidente, huwag nila akong ganunin. Galing na ako sa Congress. Mayor ako, congressman ako, presidente na ako. Do not give me that shit.
Totoo bang may impartiality na kita mo ngayon, Mayor?
Wala man siguro. At, alam mo, actually, wala, in fairness to the idiots, wala akong notice na papunta ako ngayon. Sabihin mo nga sa hindot na yan.
Pero si Attorney Delgra Mayor nagbigay ng parang reply.
Wala akong notice.
Summon or sana nagbigay.
So what was his reply?
Kasi nalagay sa na si according to Attorney Delgra na yung ginawa mo sa Senado, pwede nilang kukunin kung gusto nila.
Ano mo sinabi ko? What is there to say or more to what I have said? Ang sinabi ko naman lahat. Ano po ba ang gusto ng mga gago?
May balita, Mayor, na ang ICC prosecutor sa dito na gusto.
ICC?
Yes.
Ang kilala kong ICC is Immaculate Conception. Sabihin mo sa ICC. I'm addressing to the ICC. Pumunta kayo dito at bibitayin ko dyan sa Akasya. Lo nila.
Pwede daw magbigay ang Senate ng transcript ng statement po doon sa ICC. If they will do that.
Well, it's up to them. I mean, are you posing a question or are you informing me?
You're informing you that they are
giving all the
they will give the transcript down to ICC. It's a possibility.
Well, go ahead. Be my guest.
Mr. President,
Yes.
if in case the Quadcom
Hindi na ako presidente. Rudy Duterte.
Mayor.
in case the Quadcom will invite you, bigyan ka nilang ng pamasahe, are you still willing to be there to attend the Quadcom? Hindi ka takot?
May maganda bang member dyan sa Quadcom na yan?
But by the way, you mentioned Abante and Dan Fernandez. Don't you know that they already resigned from Quadcom?
Nag-resign sila dahil
Why? Why?
kasuhan mo daw.
Why?
Kasi,
Because they prodded a witness to deliver a line in their favor. So when you talk of Abante and Fernandez, they are discredited congressmen.
Pero nandun
You
sila sa
are
hearing.
not supposed to talk to a witness. Because the mere suggestion na ito ang sabihin mo unless you are the lawyer. But if you are the judge o sa kabila kay, it would be highly improper. It would be stupid of you to be talking to the other party. Delikadesa yan eh. You know what I mean? yung mga abogado, delikadesa yan. You're not supposed to, doon ka sa kampo mo, bakit ka makipag, or if you are in the middle because you are the judge, okay lang. You're a prosecutor, do not go to the defense witnesses, or the defense should not be talking to the, unless you are ready to, yan. Sobornation of perjury.
Ayun, perjury. Na-file na po ba?
Sobornation of perjury, that is a crime under revised penal code.
Na-file na po.
Narinig ko alam ko, sabi ko, that's sobornation of perjury.
Subordination, yes. That's right.
Sobornation.
Subordination of perjury.
Subordination of
Sobornation of perjury.
Are you going to file a case, man?
Hindi.
File ka pa.
Wala.
Wala.
Hindi. Pakialam sa kanilang putang. Ba't po, pag-aksahan na parang,
Mayor, ginawa nila kanina sa Quadcom, binuhay nila yung case doon sa Dumoy na tawag man. Shabu Laboratory sa
Shabu
Dumoy.
Laboratory sa Dumoy.
Parang gusto nila malaman talaga bakit namatay lahat yung mga Taiwanese.
Bakit daw pinatay lahat?
sinabi ko na guarding ako. Lalo na sabi ko yung mga alien. Kung ngayon, kung pinag-uusapan nila yan, sabihin ko ulit sa kanila, ito na lang ipadala. Ayaw mo nang punta ng Manila. Pagod ako magsakay ng aeroplano, Adre. Every time and to think that I was a pilot at one time in my life, I was flying aeroplane. Magbaba ako sa lupa,
Nalipong.
dahil sa
Jet lag.
quality of matanda ko. Yung sa Dumoy na Shabu Factory. Ang tinatanaw bakit patay lahat? Lalo na kung German ka o Aprikano ka, you fuck in my country. Nag-warning ako. Do not do it here. Do not fuck it here because pag maabutan kita, patayin kita.
Bakit kaya concerned sila sa mga
Pari,
drug lords?
magdemanda sila. Bakit pinatay? Sinabi ko nung huwag. You can just imagine, nagtayo ka na ng Shabu Factory dyan sa Dumoy. To top it all, mga dayo kayo, foreigners, putang ina ninyo. I said, do not fuck it here because I will kill you. So, namatay. So, anong reklamo ninyo, mga congressman?
Naubos kasi
Mayor sa local ta, kung sa ikasulti mo hindi nagbangga si mo karon ng mayor sa Nagpens dapat.
Sino ang kalabang ko?
Katong imong gitudlo sa Civil Service Commission.
Who the hell is it?
Yeah, spokesman and secretary to the cabinet.
Secretary to the Cabinet.
Sino?
Civil
Amagkin mo, Carlo.
Carlo Nograles.
Tatakbo? Oh, fine. I welcome his entry to the derby. Alam mo dito sa Davao, kung sino lang ang may gusto ng tao. Pag ayaw na ng tao sa akin, okay na, mag-retire na permanently. Pag natalo ako at ayaw na ng taga-Davao sa akin. So,
balik ta sa Quadcom.
Baka magpunta na ako sa Manila.
Ayan.
Doon na ako magtira. Bahala na kayo dito.
Let's go back to, you said,
Quadcom. You're saying Quadcom? What about Quadcom?
Kasi sabi mo, mahirapan ka na magpunta doon sa Manila. Sila na yung bababa dito at para lang mapasama ka sa investigation.
Well, not in the strictest sense actually, but you know, I'm getting old. Every day, I'm aging. Hindi na ako kasing yung stamina ko. At saka yung eroplano kasi, I said, I was once a pilot. Yung taas. Kita mo yung mga piloto, pati yung mga flight stewardess. The age almost
double
5 or 7 years ahead of us. Dahil yan sa taas.
Sa mga umiipit ka Inday karon, ano pagyapon mahuman?
Gidyon muna.
Sir?
Yeah, I want to go back to Trump's victory.
Okay, go ahead.
And the resulting consequence. You said that would lead to the normalization of the relationship between the United States and China. But part of this would be peace in the region. Among the reason why there is an irritant between China and the US is because of the presence of 9 military bases in the Philippines. So how can now the US and China be at ease with each other when there are 9 military bases here facing China?
Nandoon pa niya sa Zambales, nandoon yung mga
missile.
You know, malayo pa kasi ang but it would be good as any other time for the Philippines to ponder na it is not to the best of our interest as it was then, as it is now. Sabi na noon ng mga, sabi nila mga activist and leftist, but they were not. They were just Filipino. Pati ako, bakit ako why would I host a military base of a foreign country? Lalo na yung Amerika na pumunta sila dito 1800. They treated us like a vassal state and subjugated us to the rule for so many years. It's about time that maybe the next president or ito ngayon, if I may suggest, na tanggalin na yung basis. Actually, wala namang manalo dito. Even how far or how near you are to the shores of China or in the boundaries of America. Pag magkagera, wala naman talagang maiwan dito. Pag nabitawan niya ang ICBM ng Amerika pati China, well, of course, it would, hindi naman destruction. Latin America is malayo. But it would result in a barren earth. Mayor, ang putok yung nuclear warheads na yan, bombs, it would result in a barren
Nanalo ang Trump, si Donald Trump because of ayaw niya ng gera. And the previous, the Biden administration is doing that. Halos lahat ng mga bansa gusto niyang susuportahan ng gera, like Ukraine, Israel, and of course in the Philippines right now.
Alam mo kasi.
So ano ang mo dyan, Mayor? Kung if ever Trump will the next, parang ma-change ba ang policy in that?
Alam mo ito si Biden, politiko ito. And maybe really an ideologue of yung political thinking niya. Ito si Trump, negosyante. Gusto niya, kaibigan tayo. Parang in-check to si Trump eh. Tayo, kaibigan lang, walang away para tayo yaman lahat. Anak natin, ligaya, happy-happy lang sila hanggang kamatayan. Eh, itong mga, alam mo kasi ganito,